Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by identifying your dock type and the laptop host port you have. Check if the dock uses USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, HDMI, DisplayPort, or a proprietary connector. Verify that your laptop accepts data and power over that port before connecting the dock. Update laptop BIOS or firmware and update the dock firmware when available to reduce compatibility issues. Choose a certified cable and use the shortest practical length to maintain signal integrity and power delivery. Confirm the dock provides sufficient power delivery, such as 65W or 100W, to charge your laptop. Check each video output capability and match it to monitor resolutions and refresh rates before you connect. Plug monitors with DisplayPort or HDMI into the dock outputs using quality cables for best results. Attach wired peripherals like keyboard and mouse to the dock before connecting power to help the system enumerate devices cleanly. Finally, if displays or peripherals do not appear, reboot the laptop and reconnect the dock. Try a known good certified cable and test the dock with a second compatible laptop to isolate faults. Update OS drivers including display, USB, and Thunderbolt drivers to resolve many common issues. Disable other network or display adapters temporarily to troubleshoot conflicts and check power settings for USB selective suspend. If the dock still fails, contact the manufacturer and gather serial numbers and firmware versions for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.